Man, the truth gon' hurt, bruh. Truth gon' hurt. YouTube family, what's going on with y'all, man? First of all, disclaimer: this shoe has nothing to do with this video. I just had to make a thumbnail, had to put it in there, had to get y'all attention. That's why y'all are here. But maybe the title, right? I don't know, but you know I gotta keep it a buck. I do not do the clickbait. This has nothing to do with this video. So, however, we do have some seriousness to talk about during this video. It is going on the guidelines of the title, so it does pertain to that. We're gonna be talking about STOCKX, GOAT, eBay, pretty much anywhere you can get these shoes from without seeing them before you get them. We're gonna talk about those type of places. But before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, hey, we would love for y'all to stick around, hit that subscribe button, join the fam. We got a lot of things coming and going over here on this channel, man, so we would love for y'all to be a part of the fam. Shout out to everybody who has recently joined, because we have been getting a lot of new members, man, so shout out to y'all. I truly appreciate y'all rocking out with your boy Jay, and as always, thank y'all for all the support, man. I just dropped part 3 of my collection, so if you guys check that out, really, if you checked out 1 through 3, truly appreciate y'all, man. If you haven't checked out either one of those, y'all late, man. Y'all need to go ahead and jump on that and give those videos a like if y'all are feeling them, or really if y'all just want to give them a like because your boy did it, because it's been about 4 years in the making. I've been on YouTube for about 4 years now, man, so 4 years in the making. I finally did it, man, so appreciate y'all for allowing with me to be on this platform and rocking out with y'all, man, so thank y'all as always. But other than that, man, make sure that you guys are traveling in the right way. Yes, sir, the Soul Premise way. Bang, man. This right here is the Daily Commuter, which is a daily bag, just like a backpack. You can put it over your back, but this bag right here is the monogram bag, man. This is my favorite bag of them all. As you can see, it has a luxury premium style look to it. You see that nice SP in that gold right there at the top. But this bag right here can hold 2 pairs of shoes and other accessories. Currently, I do have a lot of my camera equipment in here because I am out currently filming a video, a movie for y'all, man. Movies are on the way, but I do got my camera equipment and stuff in here, man. But right here at the top, you can hold a pair of shoes. Right here at the bottom, you can hold another pair of shoes, man. So 2 pairs of shoes on the inside, of course, as well as other accessories right there. You do have some storage space right here on the front as well. 2 storage areas, man. So nice little daily bag, you know what I'm saying? If you're going on a 2-day trip, you can definitely use this for a 2-day trip, maybe even 3, man. This bag is incredible with the storage space that it does have. You even got some more storage space right here on the back, man, so you can throw some clothes or some other items right there in the back, and you know, you'll be good for the weekend, man. But check them out. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout, man. You must use that code in order to save almost 50%, pretty close to it, man. So you will get a nice chunk taken off this bag, man. If y'all are getting any extra money in, try this bag out. Trust me, everyone who has got a bag, hey, vouch for me. If you got a bag, let them know down below in the comment section how you feel about your bag. But everybody who I know, no cap, got a bag, they in love with their bag. They even come back and get a bigger bag, so on and so forth. But Soul Premise is definitely the way to go if you are traveling. Check them out. Hey, Jay ain't gonna stay y'all wrong, man. But anyways, man, let's dive into today's video. It is kind of random, but I do feel, hold on, put up these sleeves, bro. I do feel that this video is needed because it's an educational type of video. A lot of people haven't bought shoes from STOCKX. A lot of people haven't bought shoes from GOAT, eBay, and etc. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of want to enlighten y'all on my experiences, as well as some things that I, you know, found out, you know, along the ways, man. So we're going to start off with talking about this shoe right here, man. If you guys do not know, bang, this shoe right here is a limited shoe, man. This is a limited shoe. It is named the Air Jordan 1 Soulfly, if y'all don't know. But here is the shoe, white, green, and orange, with a little bit of sail on the midsole. But very clean shoe, very, very expensive shoe, very difficult shoe. So difficult shoe to get, that is, but all the above, right? So this shoe right here is, of course, my personal pair, man. I did pick up this shoe about 2 years ago, or yeah, I think I got this back in 2021. So with that being said, man, I want to talk to y'all about this shoe. This shoe does come, it was a Soulfly exclusive. It wasn't on a Nike app, it wasn't nowhere. So it was a Soulfly exclusive. You had to get this shoe from Soulfly in order to get it. So I was just sitting back, man, and I don't know what came across my head. I was just browsing on YouTube, and I just searched, you know, Soulfly, because it took me back to a time when I was looking for this shoe. Before I acquired it, I was looking for this shoe. I could not find this shoe to save my life in a size 9. So I'm like, dang, what's going on? And then when I did see a size 9, it was like 11,000. I think the price is a little bit more in range right now, but I think it was like 11K. Never thought that I would get my hands on a pair of these, because I was like, 11K, that's crazy, unheard of. But anyways, long story short, I found an 8.5 a lot more easier than I did find a 9. I still haven't found a 9, but let me show y'all where I got the box at. I'm trying to, oh, right here, it's tripping. But real quick, so y'all can verify what I'm saying, take a look at the box. You see what size I have right there. Size 8.5, right? Size 9 was damn near impossible for me to find. I'm gonna tell you why. And that's gonna lead into our next topic, man. But play that clip real quick.
And now, our feature presentation.
How you know if your Soulfly Jordan 1s are fake? Number one. If you have a size 9 and your plug told you this is real,
you must be out your damn mind!
Yeah, Fugak, alright? No size 9 in the retail version of the Soulfly 1. None. Zero. There is one. It was the sample. I could have the sample. Straight to Chino's foot. Quiet. No size 9. It was just a mistake. They did not send Soulfly a size 9 in the retail. Duh.
That's enough of that. Okay. Now, I don't know if y'all caught what I caught. I mean, it was the only thing to catch, but he basically said, if you have a size 9, they are fugazi. Reason why he is making that statement is because he's saying that there were no size 9s in the shoe made. There was a mistake. Nike didn't send Soulfly any size 9s. However, he corrected himself, and he did say there was one pair. There was one pair, and that went to the owner of Soulfly, and he put them straight to feet. Going into my next section now. Alright, man, there's been a lot of rumors talking about, I mean, it's not even a rumor, it's a fact. Nike did make a statement that StockX was selling fake Nike products. That's a fact. Nike made that statement. Like I did say, we moving on. Let's see what StockX has to show when it comes to a size 9 Air Jordan 1 Soulfly. So, alright. Let me see the sales. Is that the only one on there, or is there any sale? Oh no. Oh no.
No.
Oh no. So there has been 1, 2, 3, too many sales of a size 9 Air Jordan 1 Soulfly on StockX for my liking, bruh. Red flag, man. So according to what Conceited said, those have to all be fake. There's no way around it. They have to all be fake, and on top of that, they still have another one listed on there, still for sale. So somebody still has one out there. They're claiming that they have one. So if you want to buy one for 5K, you can buy one for 5K. I mean, that's a lot of money. But anyways, man, let's take a look at GOAT. Let's see if, you know, GOAT is, you know, a little more, you know, reasonable. We might not be able to find a size 9 on GOAT, but let's check it out.
Bruh.
Red flag, bruh. So somebody's capping, bruh. Somebody's capping. And like I said, I don't know, but I would lean more towards Conceited telling the truth, because he knows the people at Soulfly personally. There's been a lot of talk about these apps selling fake shoes, and I've had experiences firsthand myself. For example, I purchased a pair of reflective Yeezys, and they sent me a pair of non-reflective Yeezys. So I'm like, dang, if y'all are checking these shoes like y'all say y'all checking these shoes, how did y'all send me a non-reflective pair when I was supposed to get a reflective pair? Of course, I got that situated. I got refund, all that good stuff. It got squared away. But it's just, it makes you think. You know what I'm saying? Like, how do you make that mistake? That's like the first thing you gotta check if a shoe is all over 3M versus it's not 3M at all. But that's not it. That's not it. If you guys were tuned into the channel a couple years back, I want to say in 2021, I purchased a pair of Ben & Jerry's. Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunkies. I purchased a pair of Chunky Dunkies. I think I purchased those from GOAT. I think I got them from GOAT. Maybe it was STOCKX. I don't know. I don't want to put no smudge on the name, but I want to say it was GOAT. So I purchased a pair from GOAT, and man, bro, that shoe was beat, in my opinion, for a shoe that was $1,400. It had hella creasing. It was all like bruh, the laces were all out of whack. Like, you can definitely tell somebody had them on, and yeah, it was very visible. But when I messaged them about it, they said that it passed their authentication test. They were listed as new. So I'm like, dang, nah, bro, we need to refund and get this right. So I ended up getting a refund and ended up purchasing another pair, which came back a lot better. But on to this next topic. I'm saying that to say, when you purchase these shoes off these apps, you do not know what you're gonna get. You do not, like, for example, if you go into the store or if you're buying it hand to hand, if you meet up with somebody, you're seeing what you're buying. When you purchase these shoes from these apps, the condition that they say will pass their authentication is a condition that most of us as the consumers will not approve of. We might pass on a shoe. If that is the last shoe of that kind on the shelf, we might pass on it. You know what I'm saying? Because we're seeing the defects and the damages to that shoe firsthand. On the other hand, with them, they don't care. They really almost let anything go through. As long as the bottom of the shoe is clean, you can literally almost get anything past STOCKX or GOAT. So going into that, I'm saying that you must be careful and know that these things might happen. You might get a shoe that is just damaged, like creased up. It looked like somebody just wore them with sole protectors, took them off and sold them to STOCKX. That could be a possibility thing that happened because they allow those shoes to pass their authentication. So be careful buying from all these apps or places where you cannot see shoes before you get them, because their way of seeing and approving things might not be the same way you might approve of something, especially if you're paying $1,000+ $500, $300. You know what I'm saying? When you pay that type of money, you want like a perfect pair, but it doesn't happen like that. Maybe in a perfect world, but it does not happen like that. So you have to be very mindful of shopping on those apps, because you shop blindly. And like I said, the first thing that I was talking about as far as this shoe being on that app in a size 9, multiple sizes on both apps, that's a big red flag, man. I could be going on and on about this topic because there's so much to get into. There's been so many red flags with those apps, man. I did see a tweet of someone saying that there's only 5K pairs of this shoe. How does so many people have them? Number one, I don't personally know too many people who have them. I see things different on this pair, that whenever I look up a fake pair of this shoe, it's nothing like this pair. I don't think the fakes have them down packed yet. The fakes of this shoe still comes in a regular black and red Nike box, man. But, you know, is it possible? Very possible. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I think that I got a legit pair. First of all, too, my pair did get shipped to me via DHL from Hong Kong. So by coming from Hong Kong, that's a good sign, because we know that this shoe was only an Asia exclusive. If this shoe came from California somewhere, I might second guess it and I might be scratching my head, but you know, it is what it is. But everything on my pair kind of checked out. Of course, it did have, which I took off. I should have kept it on just to show you. I didn't know I was gonna be making this video, but I have another shoe here that, oh well, it doesn't even have it on here, but if y'all know about the little Chinese sticker, there's normally like a Chinese sticker on the bottom of boxes that come from Asia. I told y'all in some of my videos that I hate that on there, so I ended up putting a lighter to mine and peeling it off, but it did have one of those Chinese stickers on the box. So that was another positive thing, you know, coming from a retailer of Nike from Asia or China or wherever it came from. But yeah, this shoe right here, man, was a shoe that only released overseas. So a lot of people might question, you know what I'm saying, be like, is that real? Is it fake? You know what I'm saying? We would never know, you know what I'm saying? I know I paid, you know, a premium price for them, but at the end of the day, man, we don't know what we're getting from these apps. You know, we all take risks when we shop from them, and I'm a victim of it, bro. I done bought so many shoes from StockX and Go. I just hope, fingers crossed, you know what I'm saying, that I got what I expected to get and what I paid for, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's just one of those things to think about. I wanted to bring awareness to that, let y'all know about just that crazy scenario with Conceited and the Soulflies, like, and I believe it that there was only one of those made, because it's dang near impossible to find one. As far as the connects and people I know, none of them have heard of a size 9 being out there. So that's enough for me to be like, okay, yeah, I believe what he's saying. But yeah, man, while I got these out, man, this will probably be my next video. I'm gonna hit y'all with an on feet to these, and then we gonna just continue off of current shoes, because I done fell way behind with my on feet, man. So I'm gonna just probably move forward. All the old stuff, we got to take an L on that. I just got to catch up with my own feet. So I'm gonna start doing things that are more recent, and then we'll go from there, man. But I just wanted to bring that to y'all today. I know it's a lengthy kind of vid, and like I said, I just wanted to bring that topic to y'all, because I know people are purchasing shoes and all that good stuff. And I got another video. We're gonna talk about some things going on with Nike, and as far as the resale market and all that. And when I say that, I don't mean like we gonna talk like a reseller or something. Nah, I'm just talking about what Nike is doing. Nike is getting back at resellers. They are, and I'm gonna explain it to y'all why they're doing that in the next video. Well, not even the next video, it might be a couple of other videos, but I will talk to y'all about that. But that is it for the video today, man. I just find it weird, bro. I got me an 8.5. I couldn't find my 9. So if you got a size 9, bro, and you paid a premium price for it, hey, I don't know what to tell you, my boy. But that is it for this one. Y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay is gone, man. If y'all haven't checked out the collection videos, check them out. Leave a thumbs up on this video as well as those as well. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gone, man. Love. Peace.